Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Emudeck error code RYU-0004. The error reads, "Application not found. RYU couldn't find a valid application at the given path." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. The error comes when users try to launch specific games like Castlevania or Peglin through RYU in gaming mode. Some games work fine, but these particular titles either don't launch or don't even show in the game list folder. According to our research, this error occurs due to invalid file paths, incorrect shortcut configurations, or issues with prod keys and firmware. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to make sure your prod keys and firmware are updated. If they are outdated, update them and check if this helps with the error. If you still get the error, then go to game mode and check the shortcut properties of the game. In some cases, the path might be pointing to the wrong file, like a game update file. Change it to the correct path and check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, open Steam and find the problematic game. Then go to Properties, then Shortcut, and check the target field. Make sure the file path doesn't have single quotes around it. It should only have double quotes. If there are single quotes, then remove the single quotes and try launching again. At last, if the error continues, then try reinstalling Emudeck. Simply perform a clean reinstall and then relaunch your games to see if this resolves the error. But before uninstalling Emudeck, make sure to back up any data which might be deleted in the process. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.